Before we get started, I just want to give a huge shout out to Pwn Time. He is my first supporter on Patreon. You too can support me on Patreon for as little as $1, and that $1 will get you a shout out at the beginning of all my future videos, as well as early access to videos before they post on YouTube. And as well, you will gain access to my Discord server, which is exclusive to my Patreons. So with that out of the way, let's get started.
Welcome back to another video, guys. In today's video, we are going to be making it so we can rotate towards the direction we're moving. This also fixes the issue we were talking about in the last video where the ball was always to the left of the player. The reason it was doing that is because the player was always looking to the left. So we had to make it so we could rotate our character in different directions so the ball does work correctly. So yeah, let's just dive in. As you can tell, character looks a little different. I made a new character prefab, character base, and I added a beak and two eyes. For the beak, I just used a capsule, and eyes, two spheres, and I disabled the colliders on all of them, or deleted the colliders, I mean. I made materials for them. Those are here. And yeah, the reason I did that was just so I could tell what direction my character was looking towards. And I just had a little bit of fun with it and made him a duck because I'm Duck Hive. So we need to go into our script, and all we got to do is go to the character controller and in the move method. So yeah, just add in these two lines right here. This first line calculates the target rotation for you. The second line is what actually rotates the character to face the target direction. And that is it. That's all we got to do for this video. That'll make it work. That'll make it so the character smoothly rotates and everything's working great so far. In the next video, what we will be doing is we'll be adding in other players on the field, and we'll be making it so we can switch control back and forth between the different players. And when we switch to a new player, it will deactivate the old one and we'll just be controlling the new one. So we'll be doing that, and I will see you guys in the next one.